Add an edge split modifier, a solidify modifier and a bevel modifier to your object. Right-click and choose Shade Auto Smooth. Select some edges in edit mode, right-click and choose Mark Sharp. These edges will be turned into panel cuts by the modifiers. Turn off Clamp Overlap in the bevel modifier to be able to increase the bevel amount. To remove the panel cuts, simply select those edges in edit mode, right-click and choose Clear Sharp. To make a circular panel cut, select and bevel a vertex with Shift-Ctrl-B. Scroll the mouse wheel up to increase the vertex count. Then adjust the shape value or use Loop Tool's circle to make it circular. Press F to fill the selection. Switch to Edge Selection, right-click and Mark Sharp. Before the N-gon police shows up, quickly press K and make some knife cuts to create an interesting shape. And again, right-click and Mark Sharp. This method can be useful if you plan to bake the panel cuts to a normal map. For tips about baking normal maps, check my Baking Tips YouTube playlist. Or even better, get my Blender Secrets ebook.